Who should study English grammar? Basic education students, needed for exams, academic papers, and accurate grammar usage in assignments. University students, essential for writing research papers, essays, and structured academic content. International workplace professionals, critical for drafting business contracts, emails, and reports without errors. Doctors, engineers, IT specialists, required for clear and precise technical documentation. IELTS, TOEFL, Cambridge exam candidates. Grammar is a key scoring component in standardized tests, English-speaking enthusiasts. To master tenses, sentence structures, and fluent communication, teachers and educators, teachers must be proficient in grammar to effectively instruct students. Writers, advertisers, and media professionals. Authors, journalists, and marketers need polished grammar. For books, articles, ads, and audience engagement, travelers and international communicators. Basic grammar prevents misunderstandings when interacting with foreigners, travelers, and international communicators. Basic grammar prevents misunderstandings when interacting with foreigners, translators, and interpreters. Accuracy in translating meaning between languages. Requires deep grammar and structural knowledge. Online content creators, social media influencers, bloggers, and YouTubers build credibility through error-free content. Key takeaway: studying English grammar enhances clarity, confidence, and understanding in communication. Everyone can benefit from learning it. Regular practice through reading, writing, and speaking helps grammar improve naturally.